Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol COIN, Coinbase. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, had a nice bounce, and then the party stopped right at a level that will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video I did on this one previously, but talked about this red line here at the 302 area being an area of resistance, and wouldn't you know it, very, very impressive bounce. But the bounce not only stopped going up right at that red line, but that's also the area that ultimately pushed it back down and has now put the level of support right back into play. And that level of support being that green line here at 287, which was again violated this morning with the gap down. But because the price quickly got up above it, it's back to acting as resistance. But like I said, because of this pullback in the downwards direction, that doesn't mean that 287 is going to get tested, but it's certainly within striking distance. So my point here is that it's at least a valid, it's at least a rational thought to have that the price could, very well be getting, down around that 287 mark. And, that'll definitely be a key level to watch. So 287, very important area in terms of, whether or not, that's going to potentially reverse the price back around, because if the price does go down to 287 and then pushes down through there, at that point, it becomes a very, very real possibility that the price could be headed down to 282 at minimum, if not even lower than that. So yes, today, nice bounce. Ultimately though, because it got rejected, I'm not saying that's destroying the chart, but it is certainly making things look a little shaky, and makes it a very real possibility that the price could be coming down here to at least test the 287 mark. But hey, who knows? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe the price all of a sudden snaps back around, and in that case, all eyes will immediately go back to that 302 mark. So overall though, it'll be a very interesting way to see how this one opens up the week next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.